there, it's Samantha Thompson with 31 Gifts, and I wanted to share with you our medium pack and zip cube. So this is super helpful when you're packing for vacation, but I can find tons of other uses to help me organize with these as well. So this is our medium size. It's got a little mesh up here so you can kind of see through, and then it unzips all the way around and has several inches here, so you could definitely use this to pack things that are more delicate, or maybe it's your socks or things like that, and kind of organize your suitcase, especially if you're packing for little kids and maybe you have 2 kids and 1 piece of luggage. That definitely would work well. This comes as a regular product that you can purchase for $20, or if you host a party, you can get a set of 3, which has a large one, a medium one, and a smaller one for $25, and you can get personalization on all 3 of them for free. So you can see on this one I've got Jet Setter. I have green on it because that's my favorite color. This one says have bags will travel. So I do a lot of traveling, and I think these come in super handy just to kind of organize things in your suitcase and make it easier to get in and out of, especially once you arrive and you're not kind of throwing things all over your room, and you're able to kind of keep your suitcase nice and neat and organized. And it comes in several different patterns as well as a Hostess item. You can see we've got the gumdrop, the charcoal, which is what I have in my hands here, and then of course the buffalo check. So super adorable, and I love that as a Hostess you're gonna get to personalize them all for free. That makes it super nice. If y'all aren't familiar with our Hostess Rewards program, my average Hostess is walking away with $100 in free product, 2 items half price, and 2 exclusives. So this counts as one of her exclusives, and then she gets to pick another one, plus our Hostess special each month. So if you're interested, please let me know, and I will talk to y'all very soon. Have a great day.